In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to work faster. We'll walk through a simple way to get started using AI inside Notion by taking advantage of ready-made templates from the Notion marketplace. This is perfect if you're new to Notion AI or if you just want to speed up your workflow without building everything from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer. Once you're in your workspace, look toward the sidebar where you usually see your pages and settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion offers templates, tools, and setups that are already configured and often include AI-powered features built in. When the Marketplace page opens, you'll see a search bar at the top, along with various categories and featured templates. In the search bar, type in the kind of template you want to work on. For example, you might type Project Management, Meeting Notes, Content Planner, or Personal Knowledge Base, depending on what you need. The idea is to look for a template that matches the type of work you want Notion AI to help with. As you type, Notion will show you a list of templates that fit your search. Take a moment to scroll through the results. You'll usually see a thumbnail, a title, and a short description. Many templates will explain how they use Notion AI, such as generating summaries, drafting content, or organizing information automatically. Click on a template that seems closest to your workflow or goal. This will open a detailed preview page. On the preview page, you can read more about how the template works, see example layouts, and get an idea of where the AI elements appear. This is useful to make sure the template fits what you're trying to do, so you don't waste time starting with something that doesn't match your needs. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the button that lets you add or use the template in your workspace. It may be labeled Add, Use this template, or something similar. Click on it and Notion will automatically create a new page or set of pages in your workspace based on that template. From here, you can start customizing it, filling in your own data, and using the embedded Notion AI features to generate text, summarize information, and help you work faster, all within a structure that's already been thoughtfully designed for you.